Hello, this is E-Drains. We're gonna be doing a camera inspection for the main line from the roof. We're gonna be going down from the vent all the way to the main line. The problem here was that the two toilets back to back, they were clogged. Shower and bathroom sink, they were fine. But after unclogging the drain, I found out that the pipe is already collapsed. So this clog is gonna happen again. This problem is gonna happen again because the pipe is collapsed, and that is due to the age of the pipe. The pipe needs to look like this wide, but because of the problem, it's like this now. That's why everything is getting stuck, because the pipe is gonna be collapsed. And now we are on the main line. This is Edy from E-Drains. Thank you very much for choosing E-Drains.